beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm so excited today to be coming on with another huge makeup haul. This is a luxury makeup haul, but I also did get some mid-price items as well. So I got some new makeup from DIOR and a bunch of other makeup that I'm going to share with you today. So I figured I would just do an all-around makeup haul, huge makeup haul, and share everything that I got this week. So I did kind of go all out. I did get a lot this week. It's, you know what it is, guys, because they were having Black Friday sales and there was so many sales. I couldn't resist. I'm not gonna lie. And I got so many fashion items too, but I'll save that for another video. But before we dive into today's video, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Alegra Chetti. I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch. We have tons of giveaways going on here, all kinds of fun times. Everybody's super supportive, super nice. So I hope that you'll subscribe and join the fam. Also give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. It helps me out so much. So without further ado, let's dive into this luxury makeup haul. So I've got so much stuff here, I don't even know where to put it. I need more space, guys. I need more space. But anyway, the first thing that I can't wait to show you beauties that I picked up in my luxury makeup haul, my huge makeup haul, is this DIOR Backstage. This is the Air Flash Foundation. So I have purchased this. I think this is my third bottle now, but I had to get it again. And a lot of times I get it and I'm just like, why did I get this? But then recently on my last bottle, I was just, you know, out and about and you look in your hand mirror and your skin and your foundation looks amazing. So actually I should say my foundation looks amazing, not my skin, because you can see the foundation just making this gorgeous, gorgeous effect. And it was always when I was wearing my DIOR Air Flash. So the thing I don't like about it, sometimes I feel like it gets a little messy, but for that effect that it gives, I think it is so worth it. So I went ahead and purchased another one of these. I also did purchase, I believe, the week before. I didn't get to show you beauties, but I purchased the DIOR Backstage Face and Body, which is what I'm wearing right now. I wear it every day. That is my everyday favorite foundation. Actually, that's why it's not here for me to unbox and show you, because I already unboxed it. That's my number one. I just love it. But anyway, it's not here, so that's neither here nor there. But anyway, let's keep it moving now. This, guys, I'm so excited. I wish I could try this right now with you beauties. I'm so excited to try this. This is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and I've never tried this before. Have you beauties tried this? I've never tried it, and I was watching a video. I can't remember her name, but she's an English beauty YouTuber, and Sarah, I believe her name is, and she used it and I was just like, oh my god, it looked gorgeous on her. So I'm not sure, this is technically not an unboxing video, right? I don't know how, I've got a lot of stuff here and I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I'm trying to go as fast as possible. But I can't test everything, I guess, right? But look how gorgeous. Do you see the H? It reminds me of Hermes. I'll just try a little tiny bit. Oh, that's really beautiful. It has some, does it have shimmer to it? It looks like it has a little bit of shimmer to it. What do you guys think? Do you see the difference? Do you see shimmer? I didn't research about this. Like I said, I just saw Sarah, the YouTuber. I'll try to link her below if I can find it, her video. But yeah, she was using it and it looked gorgeous. So I figured, let me give it a try. And yeah, it's definitely, I do feel like it has luminosity. It brightened, very brightening. Look at this. I got this from Milk Makeup. Now this is a matte bronzer. Oh, I'm so excited to try. I wish I didn't have my makeup on now. I gotta come back and test everything out with you beauties more, because I can't test this out right now because it's, oh, look how dark it is. But again, I saw another English beauty YouTuber, Raish, I believe her name is, and Rachel, but they call her Raish, and she was using this. She has a complexion similar to mine and it was not too dark, but it looks, I would not have purchased this if she didn't recommend it. So you blend it out and of course it looks, hopefully, fingers crossed, it looks natural. It's natural. It looked good on her. That's why I was like, oh my god, I need what she just used. So here I got a Fenty blush. I wish I could try this right now, but I'm not gonna try this right now. We don't have all day, right? But I did get this Fenty blush. So I'll be back and we'll try this. Oh guys, look at this. Now this, I wish, does it matter? I just tried the Hourglass. I'm obsessed with setting powders and powders, that's why. This is from, I might be saying this wrong, Kosas. Kosas. It's a Greek, I believe, company. This is the Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. Super smooth, no shine, all set. Oh, doesn't that sound amazing? I wish if I hadn't realized what I had in that box, I would have did one side Hourglass and one side this, because I love no shine. I would love to see this with no shine. What is this though? Oh, this doesn't look like a translucent setting powder actually. This looks more like, oh, it's a pressed powder. After my heart, because I love pressed powders the most. Even though the translucent setting powder is a must-have for me at this point in time. My Laura Mercier is a must-have, but if this would work out for me, that would be amazing, because I feel like pressed powder is sometimes easier to use on the go, you know. But let me just put some on and see if we can see a difference. It's hard though, because I did just put on that Hourglass translucent setting powder. But let me go ahead and use a brush, because that little jammy wasn't working. Oh, that looks really good. Now this is no shine. Like it said, no shine. I don't like shine, to be honest. I think it looks great though on camera. It's beautiful, but just on the run, when I'm on the run, I just like to just put on something no shine, you know, like this. This looks like it might be just right what I needed, what I would love personally. So this is gonna set you. I'm just gonna spray myself on my beauty mist, electric beauty mist, but let's keep it moving. So I did pick up another one of my Urban Decay Lash Freak mascara. I love this mascara so much, so I went ahead and purchased another one, because my other one is, I'm done. I ran out. It's all over with. So thank goodness I was able to get another one, because a lot of times you try to get this and it's sold out. Oh gosh, guys, look at this. I wish I could try this right now. Maybe we could try it out if we have enough time. Guys, beauties, this is the Patrick Ta Major Glow. Now, I would love to use this right now. He used this on Adriana Lima. He did a tutorial on Adriana, and he put this on. This is like a balm, but it has like a little bit of a glow to it, and he put it on under her blush. So I would love to try that with you beauties right now. Hopefully it will not come out a hot mess, you know, with all this powders I have on. But he put this on top of powder, I believe. He put it on, and then he put the blush, his blush on top, and it just looked so gorgeous. The effect, I was like, oh my god, I need that right now. So I'm just gonna try a little bit to see, but you know, don't judge if it doesn't come out good, because you know, this is not his fault. It's, you know, as you can see, I'm just experimenting here, and already I can see it did not cause separation in my makeup like a lot of balms do. A lot of times I put a balm over my powder and things like that, and it starts separating. This did not do that. It just went on and it didn't separate. It just I hope you could see that, but you could wear it on its own, and it's just a beautiful shine, and it's not shimmer, so it's beautiful. But like I said, he did layer the blush on top, so I just want to try that with you guys while we're here. So I'm just going to take a little bit of blush and put it on top and see how it comes out. So that's what he did to Adriana, and it just looked so gorgeous, because it gave the blush so much, I guess made the blush look amazing. So that's what he did. I'm just putting some powder blush on top. Yeah, that's gorgeous. It almost turns it into like a cream blush. So do you guys like that effect? I love it, and I could see wearing this on an everyday basis, because it's natural and it's not too much, you know. So I'm definitely going to be wearing that tomorrow with my everyday look, you know? So I got another Fenty blush in my makeup haul. This one is a cream blush, and it's hot pink. So I'm obsessed with the hot pink blushes right now, so I had to give this I'm going to give this a try, and we'll see what happens. So beauties, my other camera went out, so I just switched to another camera, so hopefully it doesn't look too different. But let me just keep going and show you everything else that I picked up. I also got this Laura Mercier gift set. This is a holiday gift set that she came out with. So you get the translucent setting powder and a poof for $39. So I thought that was a really great deal, and I'll just really quickly unbox it. But oh, it came in this beautiful holiday gold shimmer packaging. So gorgeous. I didn't realize it was going to look like that. And then I think there's actually a pink poof in here. Yes, it's like a beautiful rose, very light pink, beautiful poof. So I can't wait to use that. And I hope she keeps making that poof, because I definitely want to purchase that again. I definitely don't want to be without that. That's so beautiful. Who knows what I'm thinking, guys. But I got another mascara. I got the Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara. So I'm not sure why I purchased both, but sometimes you see people combining them and they look so amazing together. So maybe that's what my thought process was. I'm going to combine Lash Freak and this one, Perversion. I know I love Perversion. That was a great one too. Urban Decay mascaras are phenomenal. So anyway, guys, I also picked up this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. Like I said before, or maybe you have heard me say, or maybe not, but I'm obsessed with but you're like, what aren't I obsessed with? Well, I really am obsessed with foundation and setting powder. I love trying new foundations, so that's why I got that, to try it out. So then beauties, I also got this. I did open this already because I needed it. I'm wearing this today. Normally I'm wearing like Anastasia Beverly Hills or Marc Jacobs pencil that I got at Marshall's. But this one, I picked this one up, and this one is the Benefit Precise in My Brow. And I gotta say, I'm wearing this tonight now, and this looks so natural. Although, you know, it's not, I don't think it's as dark as my Anastasia, but it's the effect that it gives is so natural. It actually looks like your actual hair. It's like, it actually looks like you have thick hair. It gives those hair-like strokes. So this is phenomenal. I think I got the darkest shade, but if there's a darker shade, I got number 6. Is there a darker shade than 6, beauties? Let me know, because I definitely would like to purchase one shade deeper. So I also got here the Gimme Brows from Benefit Volumizing Microfibers. So I have used that before. So anyway, I bought another one. And then oh, this I want to try though. This is also from Kosas, and this is called Air Brow, and this is also full and fluffy fluff and whole treatment gel. I would love to try this right now. It's supposed to make your brows look very full and very fluffy. I saw someone using this on Instagram. You guys know. Oh, the packaging is beautiful. Wow. So let me go ahead and just try this really quick. Wow, these brows are amazing. They're actually standing straight up to attention. Oh, they look just like that feathered brow. This brow product is amazing. I'm so glad I purchased this. This I can try too right now. So this is another thing that I picked up. This is a lip oil from Iconic London, Luster Lip Oil. But it's maybe, I saw another girl using this. Another English, I guess I watch a lot of English YouTubers. I am English myself, but you know, they're actually from England. And she was using this, and her lips looked amazing after she used it. And it's a lip oil, but it also makes your lips look huge, apparently. It does feel good. It feels incredible. Oh, I'm so happy with everything I bought this Patrick Ta Major Glow. I actually have more stuff though. Let me go really quick and finish showing you guys. But I got this new Urban Decay palette. So I cannot wait to use this. I'll be back and we can do a look together. And then I got another pair of Velour lashes, the lash of the day. Love these. I can't wait to wear those. And then I got a bunch of, not a bunch, but I got 2 or 3 actually. I got 3 ColourPop palettes because they were having a huge Black Friday sale. And there was, you know, they were like 30, some were 50% off. So I wound up getting the Smoke and Roses palette. And this is just a beautiful palette, rose tone shades. And then I also picked up the Roaring Hearts palette. And then they come out with these ColourPop Zodiac palettes. So there's a pressed powder and there's a Luxe lip oil. So anyway, beauties, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my huge makeup haul, my luxury makeup haul. Let me know if you've tried any of the items that I've shown today. Do you love them too? I really lucked out. I feel like I got a lot of great stuff because for a while I was purchasing makeup and I wasn't really I'm not always wowed by everything, you know, and these things that I tried today, definitely this major glow, this brow fiber gel, I guess you would call it, amazing. Oh, that hourglass powder was gorgeous. And oh my gosh, all of my backups that I got, or my repurchases, because I ran out of my Urban Decay mascara. So much stuff. Anyhow guys, I'll be back and we can try more stuff out together, more makeup out together. So hopefully you guys are here for it, and I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I will see you beauties very soon. Bye.